Ink changing tutorial. Please watch the video first before operating. Pour in water, shake and pour it out. Use a brush to wash off the sediment on the ink cartridge wall. Repeat this operation several times until the poured water is colorless. Click on Add Ink through the software to remove the ink from the ink tube inside. Draw out the previous ink from the ink bag. Pour in new ink. Please click on Add Ink again through the software to introduce the newly poured ink into the ink tube. Click Clean multiple times, 3到5 times through the Re-In software and print the nozzle check strip to check if there are any breaks or ink shortages. Start printing picture.